Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. Falls are more common in the elderly due to different reasons. In this film, we asked a paramedic on reasons why the elderly fall and how can you manage elderly patients' treatment to ensure they get the help they need.
With an ageing population, one really significant type of injury that takes up a lot of our time is falls. The older we get, the more likely we are to be having multiple medication, polypharmacy. We're likely to have multiple diseases that are affecting us, and also we become frail and less mobile, and we also lose our confidence in moving about. So people become more susceptible to falls. If somebody falls over and it's a neighbour or a relative, if you can see that that person is moving all four limbs, they're not seriously bleeding and they're not in significant pain, I would encourage you, if you can safely do it, get them back up onto a chair or a bed. If they're in too much pain that they won't let you touch them, then definitely call for help. The longer an elderly person is on the floor for, the more likely that will result in a hospital admission. Keep them safe, keep them warm, wrap them with blankets, support them with cushions, make sure we are alerted to come and help them as soon as possible. There are other emergency services agencies that are working with us, and also the pendants, the companies that operate the pendant service that can sometimes come out and quickly get somebody up off the floor. And this is really important. So if you have an elderly or frail relative or neighbour, try and encourage them to use this pendant service. It is worth every single penny, and make sure that they press that alarm and get early help.